If you've ever been confused by all the IRS forms that show up during tax time, W-2s, 1099s, 1098s, don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through the most common IRS forms, what each one is for, and how to know whether you need it. No jargon, just simple explanations. Section 1, Income Forms. These tell you and the IRS how much you earned. Form W-2, Wage and Salary Income. When you get it, if you work for an employer. What it reports: your wages, taxes withheld, and Social Security and Medicare amounts. Important fact, you must receive it by January 31st every year. Form 1099 NEC, Non-Employee Compensation. When you get it, if you're a freelancer, contractor, gig worker, or self-employed. What it reports: payments of $600 or more from each client. Important fact, this income is taxed and triggers self-employment tax. Form 1099 MISC, Miscellaneous Income. When you get it, for rents, prizes, royalties, and other odd types of income. Important fact, this is not for contractor income anymore. That moved to the 1099 NEC. Form 1099K, Payment Apps and Online Sales. When you get it, if you receive payments through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, eBay, Etsy, and Shopify. Important fact, this reports payment volume, not profit. Your deductions matter. Form 1099N Interest Income. When you get it, if your bank or credit union paid you more than $10 in interest. Form 1099 DAV, Dividends and Capital Gains Distributions. When you get it, if you own stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds and receive dividends. Form 1099B, Brokerage Trades. When you get it, if you sell stocks, crypto, or investments through a brokerage. Important fact, usually pairs with Schedule D and Form 8949. Section 2, Tax-Related Adjustments and Credits. Form 1098, Mortgage Interest Statement. When you get it, if you paid mortgage interest during the year. Used for Schedule A, Itemized Deductions. Form 1098T, Tuition Statement. When you get it, if you or your dependent paid for college or qualified education costs. Used for American Opportunity Credit and Lifetime Learning Credit. Form 1098E, Student Loan Interest. When you get it, if you paid more than $600 in student loan interest. Used for student loan interest deduction up to $2,500. Section 3, Forms you file with the IRS. Form W-4, Employee Withholding Form. When you use it, when you start a job or want to update your tax withholding. Important fact, controls how much tax comes out of your paycheck. Form 1040, Individual Tax Return. When you file it, every year, unless you're below filing thresholds. Important fact, all other forms and schedules flow into your 1040. Form 1040X, Amended Tax Return. When you file it, to fix mistakes on a previously filed return. Important fact, you can amend up to 3 years back. Form 4868, Automatic Tax Extension. When you file it, if you need more time to file. Important fact, it extends the filing deadline, not the payment deadline. Form 4506T, Transcript Request. When you file it, to get a copy of prior year tax return info, and also to get a copy of wages and income transcript. Important fact, useful for lenders, immigration, and fixing missing forms. And that's your full breakdown of the most common IRS forms, what they mean, when you get them, and how they're used on your tax return. See you on the next video.